Hey there, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Wednesday afternoon. It is nice and 90. So I'm out here at Eileen Malatesta's property, and we are doing a couple things. We're doing a comparison of a repair product against a existing shingle product. There's a huge variance in the two products. The second thing I'm going to be doing out here is a repair attempt of these shingles. So I'm gonna attempt to isolate a shingle and manipulate it enough as if you would a repair. So I hope you enjoy. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is isolate a shingle so it's as good as any. I'm going to start to unseal it from a little shingle there. Good. Unseal down thread as well. Seal the one above it. Alright. So just a smidge. Alright, so now that we have the shingles unsealed, you need to lift it enough in order to get a hammer to nail down the new shingle. So I'm going to lift it, and so actually I'm going to pause for a second. So I lifted it probably 2 inches, and this second lamination layer here is delaminated. So again, I slightly lifted it, and then this is now popped up and unsealed. So like this one here, completely intact, laminated. Again, I was lifting it a couple inches. See that? Literally 1.5 inches, and it completely separates the shingle and starts to fall apart. I guess I will attempt to get a hammer head length in order to simulate that. I'll use some caution. Mess this roof up any further. So that's just enough for a hammer there for the nail, and a hammer there for the nail. Yeah, that. And then not only, okay, let me just show you here. We've got a crease that just formed, and not to mention now all of these tabs on this have completely delaminated and are popping off. Again, here's a shingle I have not touched. That should be completely sealed like it is. I can't get anything under to lift it up. Same thing. Yeah, this one I raised maybe 1.5 to 2 inches now. They're just completely falling apart. There is no way that this roof is repairable. A full replacement is well warranted. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.